To integrate WorldPay with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Settings section. From there, click on Payment Providers and then Add Payment Provider. Search for WorldPay and click on it to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to enter your WorldPay account details, including your installation ID and Maryland 5 secret. These can be obtained from your WorldPay account dashboard. Enter the details correctly and click Save to proceed. Next, configure the payment settings to suit your business needs. You can choose to enable or disable specific payment methods such as credit cards or PayPal. You can also set up payment capture options, which allow you to capture payments immediately or manually. Once you have configured the payment settings, you need to set up the payment gateway in your Shopify store. To do this, go to the Payment Providers section and click on WorldPay. Then, click on the Edit button and select the payment gateway you want to use. After setting up the payment gateway, test the integration to ensure that it is working correctly. You can do this by placing a test order and checking that the payment is processed successfully. It is also important to ensure that your WorldPay account is set up to work with Shopify. This includes verifying your account and ensuring that you have the correct API credentials. You should also make sure that your store is set up to handle recurring payments and refunds. Best practices for integrating WorldPay with Shopify include regularly checking your account for any errors or issues, and keeping your API credentials up to date. You should also ensure that your store is compliant with all relevant security standards, such as PCI DSS. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate WorldPay with Shopify and start accepting payments from your customers. This integration will provide a secure and reliable payment processing solution for your online store, and will help you to increase sales and grow your business.